I am looking at CN here, kind of making a bear flag right now. Okay, big seller just came in, waiting for this buyer to get out of the way here. And if he does get out of the way here, I feel like we can move. All right, I am in. Take it down to 20 is the goal. I'll sell 400 if it gets down there. Buy 400. So the volume's been thinning, but it definitely has the potential to start increasing. It's kind of like we're seeing right now. Didn't take huge size on it because I wasn't exactly sure what this thing might do to me. Wow. All those 15s are printing. Nothing's moving. Nothing wrong yet. We're still fine. Can't tell what this thing wants to do. Can't tell if we got hidden buyers or something. I can't believe these lows aren't breaking. Tell you what, the last thing I want to have happen is to get squeezed, but that might have been the retest finally. Come on. We are still respecting the trend line here. Need to get out. Oh, what? $82. Okay, looking at Roku. Just now getting to the apex of this triangle. It definitely looks pretty good for a long. Kind of the same situation with CN here. Got the 5 coming up on it now. Everything's pretty much over the top of this thing. Only resistance is going to be probably yesterday's high. So that's where I'm going to aim to take it, is probably today's high. I'd like to see it get over yesterday's close. And then get up to 50 maybe. But depending on what this thing wants to do right now, it might not even get in the trade at all. So far it ain't looking good. I definitely don't want to short this. Yeah, still want to take it over the whole number. Yeah, I'll take some. Well, 5 minutes not telling me anything special. Almost making a bull flag too. Just have to see what happens here in a minute. Huh, that's kind of weird. It was like almost sequential. It was going every half a second. Somebody was taking 200 shares off of it. I don't know if that was algos or what. I'd like to see this thing explode here in a second. Right about now is the time to do it. Got the 50 much closer. Come on. Oh yeah, this spread gets a little ridiculous at times. 20-cent spread, I'm down 80 bucks right as soon as I'm in the trade. Well, unless this thing pulls back right now. Still nothing. Might be seeing something. Back at 95, that's a new high. Here we go, come on. And I am not in the trade. Alright, now I'm in the trade. Full size. You see it in the 20s. And you see that spread tighten. That 20 cents is gonna kill me. Come on. Pretty good break there on the volume. Definitely a good sign. Come on. It's gotta get above that 20. Here we go. Come on. Push it, got a buyer. Still looks good. Still looks alright. Click the button. Click the button, take it. Perfect. Still got 100 shares here. High day is 50. So let's see what we can do with that. If I make a new high a day here, I'll take half off. Let the rest run to wherever it wants. I'd like to see it get up there to 50 again though. Bunch of sellers at 40. Oh, we broke it. Should be seeing something close to 50 here. Bunch of sellers at 50. Oh wow. Oh wow. Any major pullback, I'll take half. But I ain't seeing any reason yet to get out. Oh my god. Still nothing. Alright. Still got 50 shares left. Probably the 20s. That's a high of 30. So that's the only other thing that I have. So if we see it at 30, I'll take the rest. If not, I do want to put a stop on this, just so they can catch it and I don't have to. Looks like 75 is a good spot. Sell, not buy. Good God, this thing is running. Alright, all out 30. Alright, well, much better trade. Okay, looking at Dollar General here, it's made a bull flag for the past, what, 20 minutes? Half an hour, I guess. Came down, made the 2, so we got 1, 2, 3, and a 4 coming in here is pretty much acting as the VWAP. So I want to take half size at 90 if it breaks over the VWAP, and then I want to add the rest if it breaks over 94. You see, going back to here, that that 94 is in a pretty significant spot. So if it's not gonna break it, then I only want to be sure that I'm not risking everything that I've made so far today. So see what happens. Looks like something's gonna happen here in a second. Same situation. We got all the moving averages under. Same with the 5-minute moving averages. SPY is very green. Everything's working in my favor right now. Obviously, only issue is the volume, but same situation with Roku. Anything could happen, could explode. Get another one of these moves would be very nice. I have a feeling I might see a short squeeze as it breaks over VWAP here. I can't really see a good profit target spot. Okay, I'm in half. This needs to go up so that I know. We got to 94. Stop will be a close below VWAP or the 9. See, volume's kind of spiking here for the green. Ooh. Well, that needs to come back. Oh, come on. Jesus, it's not gonna come back. I can't sell on that. It's gotta pull back. Alright, all out. That was close. That's also the reason why I only used half size on the trade, in case something crazy like that happened. Okay, I need to be done for the day. I can feel myself feeling things. Certain psychology thoughts are running through my head. I know that this whole entire day has been ridiculous volume-wise. You can see all of the stocks that are in play just absolutely died on the volume. And since it's already almost 10 o'clock, and I'm up 62 bucks, 2 losers, 1 big winner, I should definitely just be happy with what I got, and I should walk away. So, going over what I did. First trade that I took was CN. I almost barely remember it. This is not CN. This is CN. Okay, so we were making a bear flag down here at the bottom. I was definitely liking everything that it was doing. It just, you know, we had the 1, the 2. You know, I guess it really was kind of stretching how much of a triangle it was, but with the 20 coming down on it, all the moving averages coming down on it, the 9 pretty much coming down on it where it was, the daily was pretty good, everything is over the top of it. I really wanted to see it break underneath that 20, because there wasn't really any significant support underneath it or anything. Just clipped me at 15, went down to about 8 cents, and then I mean just turned straight around from there. I definitely could have gotten a better exit on this big spike up that it had. I waited for it to pull back. You know, it closed underneath of the moving averages still, so I still gave it a chance. But I mean, I saw it, you know, I think it was like at 20 and then 22, and I clicked the button at 24, and I mean, I lost another 5 cents on it, so that just kind of killed me there. So that was a little bit more than I should have lost. Roku definitely made a very nice triangle. Like, you can clearly see that it's got 4 major points that make the triangle. So as we were breaking out, same situation, every moving average is underneath it, all giving it support. And I mean, really good breakout from the start. It was a good trade right from the beginning, because paying attention to the volume, you can see you got the big spike on the breakout. And then as it broke through the new high of day, I mean, I had already taken my partial. I mean, I definitely didn't expect, what is this, a 70, 80, 90 cent move to happen after that. I mean, that could have been massive winner, even more than it was so already, but I think I traded that one pretty good. Got up to the hold number, took another partial, and then I sold the rest as it got up to the 30, which I believe was the recent high of this candle here. I mean, it kind of bounced a little bit. Looks like it's starting to fail now here. And then just got out of DG. And we got the 1, 2, the 3, and pretty much a 4. I mean, I really like this trade because seeing this bullish formation happen, and then it's kind of failing. So you know you got shorts gathering, and then it starts to come back up to VWAP, retesting, shoots lower, comes back again with an engulfing pattern, and then I'm saying, okay, well, if it's gonna break through VWAP, it's probably gonna have a pretty good pop here. You know, we can see the short starting to cover something, but we get up to 94 and then got rejected really hard. I'm very happy that I didn't sell on this move because obviously saved myself 30 cents on it. So came back and now it looks like it's dropping even more. So I guess that's just a low volume problem. I mean, it had a decent amount of volume. I mean, it's definitely not enough. I would have liked to see something at least above the 50k for this, and then waited for whatever just happened here. Someone just sold 10,000. I mean, that was another small loser, I guess, compared to everything else that I've been messing around with. So overall, a pretty decent day. Things are really slow right now. I'm almost a little frustrated with how slow things are. I have this scanner here to show me, you know, the big markets and everything, and anytime, this is the first time I've ever seen any yellows for relative volume on all of this. So I mean, today's definitely a very slow day compared to the last. So, but I'll be back again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.